Hello and welcome to Coaster Gents, and today we're at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Now today is the day that we've all been looking for as we get to finally get into Pandora. We have done it before, but we've only ever done it once and done flight passes once, so we're so excited to get back on it, and that is where we're heading first. Could we have a Genie Plus reservation for Na'vi River Journey at 8:10, so we're heading there straight away. So I'll see you in the Valley of Pandora.
This is what it's like at night, though.
So we've just done Tough to Be a Bug, and that was so fun. It was so much better than the Muppets one, but it was that was so good. Tough to Be a Bug.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
3D images there, I think.
Yeah, and all the like practical physical effects, like the spiders, the wasp sting, stuff like that. It was all just so good. And Pandora Na'vi River Journey was absolutely sensational as well. Next up we have Kilimanjaro Safaris at 9:45. Again, already I 100% recommend Genie Plus. It can be quite costly, but we've already done 3 rides and it's not even 10 o'clock yet.
The dark ones are in the greater kudu. The dark ones are going to be the bongo. Now there on that island, you'll be able to spot some big white birds. Those big white birds are going to be the pink-backed pelicans. There is one who walks with grace. The giraffe can grow up to be around 16 to 20 feet tall. They also have these long blue tongues that can grow up to be around 18 inches. Elephants are going to be the largest land mammal, with males weighing around 14,000 pounds and females weighing around 8,000 pounds. They use in the same way we use our hands. They're actually super precise. They're so precise, in fact, they also can pick up a... their top speed of 60 miles per hour for a couple hundred yards. That's as much as 2 to 3 football fields. Now, during the daytime, humans and lions have very similar eyesight. When it comes to the nighttime, lions' vision becomes 6 times.
Aquela negócio branco é o arzinho saindo da cachoeira, caindo da água.
So we're heading to the Festival of the Lion King now to watch this incredible stage show. You can't miss it on your trip to Animal Kingdom.
How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timoni's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Come on! Glad you could make it. We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry. And you're looking good. Love you, Koopa.
What aren't you?
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Look, everyone. It's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time. Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here.
Yes, they are. Meticulous planning, tenacity spanning, decades of denial, simply virus, mighty than ambition of fear. Be prepared.
This is secret. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll. Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower.
So with just a 55-minute queue, it's time to ride Pandora Flight of Passage. Why did you get to this bit?
Okay, sealed genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an Avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready.
That's more done building.
The wing chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated. Lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children. Throughout this entire experience, remain seated. Lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, durante toda esta experiencia deberán permanecer sentados.
It's pretty coordinated, yeah? Hey guys! Pretty spectacular. Well, thank you again for joining us. This was our last show of the day.
So that's it. We've come to the end of our day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and it has been absolutely incredible. Highlights of today have been Flight of Passage and Dinosaur. Dinosaur absolutely blew me away again. I really wish we could have a dark ride that's so thrilling like that where I'm from in the UK. But all round today has been absolutely incredible, and make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you can see all of our videos here from Walt Disney World, Universal, SeaWorld and so much more. But Dad, what do you think of today?
Hot. Damn
It's been
hot.
very hot today. What's your highlight though?
Everest.
Everest. Oh yeah, I forgot about Everest. That was really good. They're all such good rides here at Walt Disney World. Because Dinosaur and Flight of Passage just blew me away.
And it's hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. So we're going to head out now. Maybe even head to Disney Springs.
Mind you, I was born hot, to be honest.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. That's a wrap.